I'm so happy to inform all of you that the draft SOP was in place. We have already circulated to all the religious leaders, and then the decision that we taken is yes, at least 85 to 90% was agreeable, but few more issues as far as few clauses of the draft SOP is concerned. We are going to improve it a little bit, and then by tomorrow we will be able to send to the respective religious leaders, and we will circulate it all to them. And number two, the decision we taken today is that from 14 of this month, reopening of worshipping place will start. Will start from 14 of this month. Why we said that? It takes a lot of time for the religious leaders to go down up to the grassroots. They need to also make the believers, the followers, convinced, and not only that, they have to also understand the SOP has to be in place, and it has to be also not only in place, they have to also adhere to in totality. So these are the decisions we taken today.
State government also can come up with some SOP, and other suggestion was that if we can get some guidelines how many people can be come together in the worship, keeping the social distancing and all, and if the SOP can be translated in the local language so that we can reach out to the rural congregations. So these are the suggestions that which we, all the religious leaders, we have done, and we have agreed on opening the religious places from the 14th of June onwards, with all the necessary measures which we have to take, follow the protocols of the government.
Kalong di Shah ka king rai ke sultanat bala kalong ka bae bangin di bot ndai na kalian jung ingin persangkat bala bangin bot ikin nuk Jingbthah jong sarkar tang ba ki nyeseng kin yok banlong hina duk khat sautrik ni dah kemen khadu kata kum mangila duk nyeseng la kata ki kini ki por lockdown lain te ka weru ka bang yakren bha kalong ba ngi ka balang Kristian de ka balang ka ba kersan hi dal de yeldi ti ngi le kren bha spang ka jing lum jing aingo ti ka turu ngi da kwa ba government kan da pensai bha kum kitu ke khot phi ti mentam no yakren spang ban spang ka kot ba spang kot jurwai ka tradition jung i kham kot ba kham jurwai tu kum no ka te je seng kan lang ti kitu ka government la ti carry kitu ting sukumen si ka de khum disibun nama ki ombam de banya ban ta sang tu ka SOP ka don restriction nang tu ka don dia gitu ki holy books kan te nalong tab de kim sha ruwai kim sha youtube no ka worship jung kham ruwai di kata ke tinggal ekran ka government city carry kita ke ba na kaling chief minister ula sim kya ke ni ba
Hatoki hun ya kai ko mi ngani jingelang
ini dah hon
te habai de ko kita ki jingwai ban kata e ne ka ko ba kai ko ban jan mamra ban le kita ne ra ne ta
ikumba kanum jan jing namar ngi hap prepare pe ki guidelines ka government ka prepare guidelines kan sukan thop gitu bar khat along ba ban ngila pan pau ken ka jing seng khlem ka jing ruai ka jing seng khlem lum jai ngo takam su dei ken